awesome. Welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have WITT LOWRY here, and we love WITT LOWRY on this channel. And if you do that as well, stay tuned. We're gonna cover a couple songs from WITT. This time we have this song called Happier featuring Ollie. So a great song. We have this 4-chord progression and it goes through the entire song. So let's take a look at this one. No need for any cape on this, so we're going clean. So we'll start with the chords. The first one will be this A sharp sus chord. All right, so that is a bar here on the 1st fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings if you count from bottom and up. And then the rest will be 3rd on D string and 3rd on G. The next chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be G minor. So it's another bar here, this time on the 3rd fret over all strings. And then the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. Okay, so you can choose to play this in 2 different ways. We can just go with straight downs, and we can also play a strumming pattern. So just with straight downs, you're gonna play 4 downs per chord. So 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G minor, 2, 3, 4. So that's one way to go, and the other one, you can also play that with a strumming pattern, and I suggest you to learn that as well. You could go with just downs, but the best way here is to alternate these 2 ways of playing it. So take that A sharp back, we're gonna take that grip, and then one strumming round will be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So, all right, so it's down, down, so a short break between these, and then comes up, up, down, 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 up. So, pretty much without any break anywhere, so just up, up, down, 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 up. And when you go this up, especially when you go to ups, you don't have to go full ups like this. You can just play on the E, perhaps the B, even the G, but not that much more, just to get the high notes there. So up, up, down, 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 up. Alright, so that is one strumming round. So you're gonna play 1 round per chord, and with the same chord progression, that gives you this. Yeah, and that's pretty much it when it comes to this song called Happier from WITT LOWRY featuring Ollie. So good luck with this one, guys. And if you love WITT LOWRY, come back to this channel. You will hear more from him. So till then, play tuned.